Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually upload and publish your Chrome extension. And as you can see, I believe I already made a tutorial of how to make a web page rotator. And this is already published to the Chrome Web Store. It's already got like a 4,000 users and got a good, decent rating. And it recently is I believe it's already at the here is already at the feature section of Google's Chrome Web Store. So it looks pretty good and a lot of good ratings. So yeah, but I did not record how I published that. But luckily, luckily, we also developed another, as I demonstrated earlier. I think this is like a free software. So I'm going to quickly go through this. So first, you just need to have a developer account. If you do not have, I believe you need to register for it. Just 15 US dollars, I believe. And after you do that, really simple. You just fill out all this account information and click new item. And right now you need to drop your zip file or select a specific file. Okay, so you need to zip it. Let's go back to our development. I believe it's web store. So yeah, just open this and right click. I believe we can press this. So you got the zip file, right? So then you can go back to here and click here. Since you already got the zip file, or you can just upload it, right? It will process and check some of the information to make sure that it's working okay. YouTube video batch publisher, title from the package, summary from package. Okay, so store listing, description, icon, global asset. Yeah, so basically you need to fill all this information. And I believe right now the title is not correct. YouTube video batch publisher. Let's in fact that's pretty good name. Okay, automated video YouTube task like publishing drafts. Yeah, that's already pretty good. And then all this you can use ChatGPT or some AI like that to quickly write description. Doesn't really matter. The category, I believe this is not a like education tool or something like that, but rather it's like a tools. Or you can choose like a utility, something like that. Accessibility, functionality, UI. It's not functionality per se. I believe it's more like a tool. So yeah. Select language, English, of course. And then you can remember we draw this my portrait. So you can just draw the icon here. Okay, I believe I already got this icon like 128 pixel. Alright, so we already got this like a pixel here. Okay, so it's a fairly good one. So just drag and drop, so automatically process that. Okay. And promo video, you can if you have like a YouTube video, you can just upload that. And then screenshot, just hard work. This is just yeah, do that. Yeah, if you want to promote your like official website or something like that, you can add it here. Let me just leave it blank. Okay, and don't forget save drafts. Okay, because some of the field that you are not like a active field is not field, so you have to fill all this, then you can submit for review. Review is pretty quickly. I believe just one business day, something like that. You can just got that. But I want to talk about permission. Okay, the active tab, storage and scripting. I believe the storage justification do not need the storage justification. Okay. Yeah. Let me adjust the I believe the uh, manifest here. Because sometimes if you do not need that, and I can't justify that, um, the review process may just get stuck and then you won't be able to pass the review. So here I believe we don't need the active tab. Obviously we need that in order to process and get the code working. Okay, so where's manifest? Yeah, but the storage, I don't think we need it. So maybe just get rid of the storage. Okay, so if you get rid of it, don't forget to recompress it and upload it again. Okay, active tab, because we I believe the sum of the code here, like the not script background, we need to access the active tab in order to actually execute code in the active tab. So we need that, and scripting, of course, we need this script to work. Just press F12 and paste script here and enter. So yeah, these two we have to do this, and we have to write some justification for this. All right, so so don't forget, this shouldn't be here because we're going to compress this again and upload again. Okay. Okay, I already finished all that, and it's automatically publish that for the review. Okay, maybe just a few days you will finish review. But I want to talk about the permission parts. Yeah, I already finished all this like a boring stuff. Just get the screenshot, just add some description. Doesn't really matter that much, but privacy is very important. So first is the single purpose. So the extension should just have single purpose. It's not like you are building operating system, but just a single purpose. It's like a helper tool. Okay, so for this V2 video batch publisher, it's just got a simple purpose to publish a video, right? So I just write some single purpose, but with the help of ChatGPT or some LLM model, is really fairly easy for you to write all that. And here is permission justification, because we require two justification here, because the manifest do require active tab and scripting. Okay, so if you publish that, you will automatically detect that you require this too, and you need to justify this. So just write it. Okay, just write the justification. Okay, and